f of x equals natural log of x over x for all x greater than 0. Which of the following is true? If you look at all these, it all talks about increasing and decreasing. So what should we be looking at? Derivative, right? Derivative tells us when a function is increasing or decreasing. So derivative of f of x, we're going to have to use quotient rule here. So derivative of the top is 1 over x times the bottom is just x minus top, natural log of x, times the derivative of the bottom is just 1, all over the denominator squared. So we end up with 1 minus natural log of x over x squared. Well, now we need to figure out what's going on here. We need to figure out critical values, and we can make a number line for the first derivative. So if the denominator is 0, that means the derivative is undefined. That's going to be a critical value. So x equals 0 is going to be a critical value. If the numerator equals 0, that's going to give us critical values. So natural log of x would equal 1, right, if we added the natural log of x to the other side. And that means x is equal to 0. No, why are you messing me up? Jeez. So x equals e. Right, e to the first would equal x. So x equals 0, x equals e. Those are our critical values. Whoops. At 0, the derivative is undefined. Derivative of e is 0. Derivative at e is 0. So between 0 and e, if we put 1 in here, 1 minus natural log of 1, well, for that one, e to what power would give us 1? 0.
Am I wrong?
All right, no, you're right.
Oh, okay.
1 minus 0, so we get 1 over 1 squared. So we're going to get a positive value in there. And for this, it might be easier to use e instead of like 2, or like, I guess in this one case, it would be like 3 or 4 or 5. Let's say we used 2e. Or let's make it even easier, e squared. If we had e squared, that's something bigger than e, natural log of e squared would be what? 2. So 1 minus 2, that would give us a negative number. E squared squared would be positive, so this is going to be negative over here. And then something to the left here, let's say, it doesn't matter, because can we take a natural log of a negative? Not so much. Right, so this doesn't even count. There's nothing back here. We can't put anything in for x that's less than, or 0, or less than or equal to 0. So this is all we're looking at. Let's look at our options. F is increasing for all x greater than 0. Nope, because it's decreasing over here. F is increasing for all x greater than 1. Nope. F is decreasing for all x between 0 and 1. Nope. F is decreasing for all x between 1 and e. Nope. F is decreasing for all x greater than e. Yes. There you go. Another question with e, and the answer is e. You know what to do now.